everyone, it's Emily with MyClosetRocks.com, where we sell pre-authenticated designer fashion at a fraction of retail price. Today I'm excited to unbox the Louis Vuitton Daily Multi-Pocket Belt. And it is hard to get brand new. That is because it is usually sold out, as they say on the website. But I had some luck finding one secondhand. So I want to unbox it with you guys and tell you if it really is worth the money, if you can really use it every day, and if the belt will actually fit you and what it can hold. So here it is. Let's unbox it. I have not done this yet, so let's see what happens. All right. First, we have the monogram belt, and it has 5 adjustable holes. It has a gold belt buckle. So the belt comes in 3 sizes, 70 centimeter, 80 centimeter, and 90 centimeter. This is the 80 centimeter, and the smallest hole is 28 inches, and it can go up to 32 inches. Okay, so now that we've looked at the belt, let's look at the little pockets that go on it. So this is the largest one. And it even has a little slip pocket in here. And then on the back, this is where the belt goes through. Boom, one of them's on there. Here's the second little coin purse. And it's got a tiny little flap that opens to a useless, minuscule pocket. You can put like a couple coins in there, but that's about it. And then it zippers open to a little interior. The third thing is just a key ring, so you can attach any keys or a scarf or whatever. So here's the belt with all 3 little items on it. So let's see what fits inside. So in the largest pouch that I have here, I was actually able to fit a little bit more than I expected. So basically I was able to fit a bunch of cards, my chapstick, my eye drops, and little baby mints. So this little baby coin purse can obviously fit coins, but what I have found that I like the most are AirPods that can fit right in there. It is a little bit of a stretch, but it closes just fine. So that's what I find most useful. You can also fit like chapstick and other little tiny things in here as well, but that's like my favorite. You can also fit your mask in here, so you can have it on you at all times. So that's kind of cool. And then of course you can fit as many keys as you can fit on this key ring. You can also attach your key pouch to it if you'd like. So the Daily Pocket Belt is $1,430 plus tax. And I think it actually, it seems like a steep price, but because of how versatile the bag is, or the belt, you can have a Louis Vuitton belt, but you can also have these little pouches and you can take them off. I think it's kind of a fun buy if you're looking for something that's hands-free and to carry your smallest items, where of course you would have your phone in your pocket and your sunglasses somewhere else. If you do use this bag or / belt, whatever it is, every day, I want to make sure you know how to wear it with jeans. They show it with a person with a skirt on, and it's all just kind of bunched up on one side, and obviously it fits her waist. But if you do want to wear it with just some regular jeans, there's a specific way you actually have to put it on to make sure it looks right and that it buckles. So I recommend making sure the smallest little piece, which is this key ring, is on first, so you have room to buckle it. So we're going to have this on and put it through only the first belt loop. So there's that. And now we're going to put on this little coin purse guy next, because he's smallest. And then we're going to put it through another loop all the way around. And then the last guy can go on here. So I'm trying to shove this through here for another belt loop, but I don't think that's going to work, so I have to go a little over it. But there you go. Here's what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful if you're deciding whether to get this awesome belt. If you guys have any styling tips or how you wear it, please leave them below in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos of bag reviews, authentications, and much more. Thanks again!